Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up before you head out. Thank you for being here. Also, there's a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. We're going to dive right in. I'm very much aware that I have way too much blush on, and am I okay with that? Yes, I am. I'm also wearing my Impress Me Glitter Glaze. This is in the shade Winter Mist. It is my favorite one that they have. I also really love Marmalade. It's beautiful. I was feeling fallish and festive, have a green shirt on, and I use the Mitchell blush. I use way too much, but I think it's pretty damn pretty. I also use it on my lips. Anyways, I digress. We're going to dive in. I just received my PR Ipsy box. Thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting. We have the Ipsy Glam bag and the Glam Bag Plus. This is our first of the month spoilers. If you do not like spoilers, hop on out. I'll see you on the next one. This gives us an idea, because I get my paid for bag still. This gives us an idea of what we could possibly get in our bags. We're going to dive in. It's typically just kind of haphazardly thrown in here. So some months I may just get it wrong, but hey, I'm grateful and I am so absolutely over the moon because I already see the bags and they're cute. And I don't get any spoilers or anything like that. I do print out the little printout that comes with it. I flip it over and bring it in here and I don't actually look at it. So you're seeing things when I'm seeing them. November 2022 says Creature Comforts. The weather outside is getting frightful, but we've got you covered with all things delightful. Cozy up to this month's array of Creature Comforts. Nourishing skincare. Sounds amazing. At-home treatments and feel-good makeup for guaranteed beauty bliss. And it says gather together on the inside. A little sneak peek of what the bag looks like. Oh, I love animal print. The bag is so cute. I don't always keep these. I actually typically gift these when I do giveaways and stuff like that. But I think that is hella cute. I really like the bag. So let's dive into our regular Ipsy Glam bag first. And first, we have something from PYT. This is a PYT Beauty, the Upcycle eyeshadow palette, Party in the Nude. And of course, nothing goes to waste around here. If I feel like I'm not going to use something, I gift it, I do giveaways, and I put it in my pay it forward pile for you guys. I have plenty. We don't need this. It's beautiful, and I really like it, but I am going to put this in the pay it forward pile. Next up in our regular bag is a Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Collection, Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. Ooh, it says paraben free, phthalate free, and vegan. Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. It doesn't actually say, unless that is the scent, the Gloss Moderne. That is what it looks like. Oh, Gloss Moderne, excuse me. Ooh, very pretty. Very like apothecary-esque. Sadly, since I had COVID, I still have not regained my sense of smell, so I can't tell you what it smells like. Your guess is as good as mine. But I love perfume. Obsessed with perfume. Next. Juicy Couture is still a thing. I know they do fragrance. Okay, Juicy Couture, Honey Bee, Wild Honey, Creamy Vanilla, and Orange Blossom Fine Fragranced Soy Candle. And it's in this cute little tin. That is exciting. I also really love candles and I'm obsessed with honey. Again, I can't smell it, so it's not going to do me any good to even try to smell it for you guys. I'm excited. Holy crap. And I think these are comforting things. I know for me, let me know, perfume lovers, when you get out of the shower, even if you're doing nothing, you're just going to bed at night, do you put perfume on? I want to know. I do. It just makes me feel pretty and soft and feminine and, you know, sometimes sexy. Same for a candle. They're very comforting to me. They're warm. They're yummy. Oh, I love this bag so far. Next is a M2U NYC matte liquid lipstick. Most likely would not use this. Not really a color I kind of gravitate toward. I either like very nude or I like lip oils or lip glosses. I know if you were here 3 years ago, you knew my absolute loathe and distaste for lip glosses. Or I like red or very deep plummy vampy. So this is kind of like mid-ground of those. It ain't my cup of tea, so we'll put that with the little palette for you guys. And then last thing in my little standard or OG Ipsy bag is the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. Also not a favorite of mine. I'm very particular about mascaras, so we'll also put this in a pay it forward pile for you guys. But I already know, because most of y'all be yelling at me when I say I don't mind skincare, okay? And you're like, no girl, we want all the damn makeup. We do not want skincare, we want makeup. This is a pretty bomb bag. We have a mascara, a lipstick, and the eyeshadow. Very makeup heavy, in my opinion. Perfume, and a freaking candle. Is this the first candle we've ever gotten? I want to say yes. The train's coming by. I'm not even going to stop talking. I want y'all to hear the train. We had this conversation the other day in my other video. Do you like trains going by your house? Have you ever experienced it? I love it. I'm obsessed with it. It just makes me feel cool. I don't know. Anyways, we're diving in now to our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And every single month, the bags will match and coordinate together. This is cute as hell. Like, if you wanted to take this for travel, you wanted to gift it to somebody, put somebody's holiday gifts in here, cute as hell. I'm just saying, cute as hell. Okay, right on top, I see something that looks so cute. You guys know I'm all about positivity and positive affirmation, so I love that. This is a Shades by Shan. We've been getting a lot of stuff from the Shades by Shan. The setting spray, and it says, "You are beautiful." This setting spray is infused with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ginseng. Your skin will feel plump, hydrated, and refreshed. This sounds incredible. Do I need another setting spray? No. Am I going to keep it and test it out right this second? Yes, the heck I am. It says, help us raise the next generation. Part of the proceeds from this purchase will be going to the Mama Berries nonprofit foundation to help single parents in need. Oh, I love that. And it says, shake well before use. They are vegan and certified cruelty-free and paraben-free. I'm going to tell you right now, it feels incredibly heavy. I just got a setting spray, literally in my BoxyCharm, I think. That is super cute. I really do like the packaging on this. Okay, let's shake it up. Okay, we're going to prime it. Hopefully it has a good sprayer on it. Yes, it does. It's nice and fine, but slightly aggressive, if that makes sense. It's not so fine that you're not feeling anything that comes out, but it's not like splashing you in the face, you know, super aggressively like a water hose. Oh, I love it. I love it already. Oh! Wow, okay, that is quite hydrating. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, I love this. Okay, look, I'm already excited to tell y'all. I'm taking my time, not even going to the next product yet. Next up, oh, another brand I'm obsessed with. We have the Purlisse Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Gently detoxifies pores, clarifies and brightens, exfoliates oily to combination skin. It says normal to even sensitive skin. I have incredibly dry skin. This sounds so wonderful, but I already know that I do not like charcoal products. They just over dry my skin. Man, that stinks. I bet you this smells so good, even though I can't smell. If you've tried this, let me know. It's also going to go in our pay it forward pile. Next up, this was kind of opened, but that's fine. It is the Kinship Super Mellow Hydrating Gel Cream Cleanser, Cream Moisturizer. Cool, calm, and hydrated. I do not like gel products typically. If it is a very thin, kind of more liquidous versus like viscous and tacky feeling of a gel, then I'll use it. I think just because I don't want to open it to the air, because I'm unsure if it's, you know, like a nice watery gel or like a thick one, we'll also just put this in a pay it forward pile. That sounds amazing. And the Kinship lip treatment we got a couple months back, phenomenal. All right, next up, we have a palette. Oh, I can't read that. Let me see if I take it out, if I can read this. I can't read this, you guys. I'm so sorry. Rena, I don't know what it says. Rena, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I'm going to put it right here. I'm sure it will tell me, hopefully, somewhere on the back. Okay, on the back it says Reina Rebelde, I guess. So that is that name put together. I just can't read that font very well. And it is a on your face and eyes eyeshadow color palette, and it says Presumida. Oh, pretty! Yeah, I cannot read that type of font. I'm so sorry, y'all. That is beautiful. It looks like a cool tattoo. And Very pretty. It is a beautiful, kind of like purpley mauve-y leaning palette. I think it is really, really beautiful. I've never heard of this brand. And I know sometimes people will say, well, I get, you know, Ipsy or Boxy to get like kind of well-known brands. How are people gonna become well-known brands if nobody ever hears about them, y'all, and nobody gives them a chance? Super cute. I don't need it. I'm not gonna use it. We're gonna put it to the side. And then last but not least, I believe it's some brushes. It says Iconic London. I mean, do I need more brush? Do I need more of anything? No, no, I do not. This feels cheap as hell. We're gonna throw that away. And then we have 4 eye brushes. That is what they look like. They feel cheap. And I'm pretty sure Iconic London is a little bit more, like, not cheap of a brand. I'll test them out. Overall, even though, you know, of course, there's a couple things I'm not going to use just because I don't like to be wasteful. We got some palettes. We've got brushes to be able to use our palettes with. We have nourishment. We have hydration. We have cleansing. Our beautiful palette. We have mascara. We have a candle. We have lipstick. Y'all, 10 out of 10. 5 yellow hearts this month. Even though some of the stuff I'm not going to use. I love that I can pay it forward and give things to you guys as well. That really, really gives me so much joy. Especially for somebody like me that I had nothing growing up. We were very, very poor. So I kind of really cherish the things that I do have. And I really love to give back to you guys. What are you most excited about? What is your favorite product of everything? I think I'm obsessed with the candle, even though I can't smell it right now. That spray. I like the whole thing. I like everything, even though I'm not going to keep everything. I think this was a 10 out of 10. Comment down below. Let me know what you hope to get in your bag. Heck, I love it all. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.